Good evening. If you are struggling with E, F, G, any of them that are fractions like this, watch me do this one and that should help you on the rest. So I have a coefficient and I have a constant, and we always want to get rid of the constant first. So the inverse operation of add 2 is subtract 2. So I would subtract 2 from both sides. That would leave me with 3/4 x, because 2 and negative 2 cancels out. 4 minus 2 is 2, and I have the 2/3 left over. So that would leave me with this. And then I don't want 3/4 x, I just want x. So I'll divide both sides by 3/4. So you'll divide both sides by 3/4. And it'll look like this. 3/4 will cancel out with 3/4. So you're left with x on the left. Then on the right, you have 2 and 2/3 divided by 3/4. So let me write it like this for you. Just in case you can't remember how to put it on your calculator, let me show you and remind you how to divide fractions by hand. So first we would change 2 and 2/3 to a mixed number. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. So you'll have 8 over 3. 8 over 3 divided by 3 over 4. And then you'll do keep, flip, change. So you'll keep 8 over 3. You'll flip division to multiplication. And you'll put the 3 on the bottom and the 4 on the top. So you'll keep, flip, change. You'll change the bottom to the top and the top to the bottom. Then before you go, 4 over 3. So before you go and do the math, you always want to check if you can cross multiply anything, which you can't. Nothing simplifies. So 8 times 4 is 32. 3, so you do top by top, then bottom by bottom. 3 times 3 is 9. Then how many 9s, because this head is too big for the body, so it's an improper fraction, how many 9s go into 32 without going over? 3, so 3 times 9 is 27. And then 27, 32 minus 27 is 5. That would be 3 and 5 9s. If you do this on the calculator, it's 3.5 repeating, so I'm fine with whichever you answer, you get 3.5 repeating or 3 and 5 9s, or even if you round to 3.6. Hope this helps. This is for E on page 11. Have a good night.